are shielded conductors, single and multi-conductor, required for feeders to 4160 volts motors. Cable manufacturers are stating that shielded cables or conductors are required per National Electrical Code 2005. National Electrical Code 2005 indicates no changes to Article 310.6 for shield requirements for cables greater than 2000 volts. National Electrical Code 2005 Section 310.6 does not specifically require shielded conductors for feeders to 4160 volts motors. It states that conductors operating above 2000 volts shall have insulation rated for the voltage and shall be type MV-90 or MV-105 or equivalent. National Electrical Code 2017 Section 310.6 is the same as in the 2005 edition. It also does not specifically require shielded conductors for feeders to 4160 volts motors. The National Electrical Code does not explicitly require shielded conductors for feeders to 4160 volts motors. Cable manufacturers may recommend shielded cables or conductors for feeders to 4160 volts motors for various reasons, such as 1. To reduce electromagnetic interference, 2. To improve safety by reducing the risk of arcing faults, 3. To comply with industry standards or best practices. The National Electrical Code does not require shielded conductors for feeders to 4160 volts motors. Cable manufacturers may recommend shielded cables or conductors for various reasons. It is important to consult with a qualified electrician or engineer to determine the specific requirements for your installation.